Hey y'all, it's Itsjustnene here, back with another video, and today we're going to be creating this gold chunky glitter eye tutorial with a red lip. So yes, go ahead and like already because I know you like it, and that's why you're here. If you're new to this channel, welcome to the family. Go ahead and subscribe and like, and stay tuned. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go into my James Charles palette, and I'm gonna take that shade right above that black shade, and I'm just taking this crease brush, and I'm just tapping that into the crease. Now I'm going in with Juvias Place palette and Jezebel, and I'm just tapping that right on top of that shade. And because I'm going to be working with, like, I think 4 eyeshadows, so you're going to see me like going back and forth. So now I'm going back in the palette with Morocco, and I'm just applying that right on top of Jezebel. But like I was saying, you're going to see me going like back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, because you want to make sure that all the shades are present on your eyelid. Maybe one shade might not be present, but just go back and, you know, add more to it. So that's what you're going to be seeing me do. But later I decide to go in with like a deep brown, and I just placed it like right on top of Jezebel. And then I'm just going right back into the first shade that I used, and I'm just blending it all out and making sure that all the shades are present. This takes a while, you guys. It's just like blend, 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 blend. Like, you have to blend to make sure you blend. It takes a long time. Also, you guys, I'm so sorry. Like, I know, like, I haven't posted a video in like 2 weeks. I'm working on some things, and yeah, so I don't want to say too much. So I'm just working on some things right now, and I can't wait to tell you guys all about it. Also, I need to start vlogging. I just feel like I want to vlog. Let me know if you guys want me to vlog, like going to the makeup store like Ulta or Sephora or something, or if you want to see like other videos and stuff like that, because I did do my hair. Go ahead and look at the hairstyle, whatever. I did do my hair. But I'm getting off track, but I'm done blending. So now I went in with Inglot gel liner, and 94 or 95, it's gold. And now I'm just gonna go back in with the first shade that I use, and I'm just going to apply some at the end of the cut crease just to blend it all out and make it look nice. Now I'm going in with Jlaurecosmetic white gold pigment. I'm sorry you can't really see it. I swear it's my ring light. Stupid ring light. I hate it. But yeah, now I'm going in with like some fine glitter, gold glitter. And now I'm going in with some chunky glitter from Glow Up Academy. And I just applied that all over the lid. It looks so cute. I'm not going to do too much with the liner. I literally did like a thin liner, not too big. I didn't even do like a whole wing liner. I just dragged it, and then I ended up going with a black shadow, and I just basically set the liner and the end of my eyeshadow. Now I'm going in with the Ultra Repair Cream. I got this from, I think you get a TJ Maxx, Ross, it don't matter. And I'm just applying this all over my skin because I have really like dry skin, and it's getting cold, so I have to make sure I moisturize my skin. Now I'm going in with Baby Skin. I haven't used that primer in a while, so I was just like, let me just try it again, because I don't know, I just wanted to try it. But now I'm going in with Macao from Nars foundation. This is the long wear Natural Radiant foundation, and I went in with Macao, and then I went in with what is this? I forgot what it's called. Oh, New Caledonia. Yes, this is New Caledonia at the bottom that I'm using right now with this flat brush. And yes. And I'm just placing that all over the face. Now I'm going in with Real Technique. This is my favorite brush. It's like what is it? It's a highlighting brush, but I use it for everything. So I'm just taking that foundation and applying it under my eye and where it needs to be placed before I go in everywhere else. Now I'm taking my foundation brush. This is also Real Technique. This is their, I think it's the Insta Pop brush. Yes, the Insta Pop brush. I love this brush. And I'm just going in with the New Caledonia first, and then I go up with the Macao. I just find like this works best for me because I feel like I have like some discoloration in my face, like around under my eyes is like kind of lighter, then lower like by my jaw is kind of darker, and that's like all over my body too. So now I'm going in with LA Girl Pro Concealer and Fawn. I will never stop using these concealers. Well, I don't want to say, well, I'm not going to stop using it because I really love them. And now I'm going in with Ebony and Black Opal foundation stick as my contour. And I'm placing that on my nose too with a smaller brush. But I let the concealer sit for about 5 minutes. So that's what I'm doing right now. And then now I'm going back in with the Real Technique highlighting brush, and I'm just tapping the edges of the concealer. Now I'm going in with a beauty blender, and I got these from Shop Miss A for $1. I really love them. Make sure your sponge is not wet. Like, it has to be damp but not like wet. Like, you gotta make sure you get all that water out. And I'm just tapping the concealer under my eye. And then I went in with Tan Sand from Tarte just to brighten up under my eye. Now I'm going in with Laura Mercier and Translucent, my favorite setting powder. And I'm just literally pressing that into my skin. I don't necessarily put too much yet. And then now this is when I go ham. I just go ham and I just start putting that, I put it everywhere. I set my brows. Yes, I set my brows. I love setting my brows. Alright, now we're back. Yes, girl. And now I'm using this, this is like a smaller, this is a, what is it called again? This is Real Technique's cheek brush. And I like to use it for like contouring, or also applying foundation. You could really like, that's why I like their brushes. Like you can use all of them for like anything. Like, and I'm just going underneath the jaw. Make sure you don't get none on the edges now. Look at them edges. Girl, them edges is slay. You can't say I ain't do a good job. Now I'm going in with the setting powder and I'm just carving out my contour. Lately, like, I've been feeling like my contour like will like go missing after setting everything. I don't know, maybe I should yes, girl, get it, get it, yeah, what's up? Yes, girl. But yeah, I've been feeling like my contour been going missing, so that's why I went like so ham like that with my contour or whatever. But yeah, now I'm just blending out the contour of my nose and shaping my nose up, making my nose look, you know, snatched. And then I go in with my MAC face powder. I forgot what this face powder is called. This was like this was like my first MAC foundation powder or whatever. And I just use it to brighten up under my eyes now. And then I went in with NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, and I applied that under my eyes. And I also went in with some neon pigments. And now I'm going in with my beat up MAC Dark Deep finishing foundation powder. And I need to re-up. I have to re-up on a lot of things. And I'm just applying that all over the skin. Oh, you guys, lashes are by me. Yes, I just love lashes like that. And now I'm going in with, what is this? Why am I getting so caught up? This is, CoverGirl's bronzer. The famous bronzer that everybody wants. You literally have to buy that on Amazon. But now this is my ugly hairstyle cheek blush palette. I'm gonna get me a new blush palette. I've been waiting on the Super Scent notebook, like the notebook blush palette, I think. But she's like out of stock. She's sold out. So yeah, I'm waiting. And then I went in with my peach Morphe Setting mist that I love so much. It smells so good. Now I'm taking my Dose of Colors Royal Hotness highlighter and I'm just applying that. And now I'm going in back with the foundation brush. And I'm just making sure everything's looking good. Now I'm going in with a brown pencil and I'm lining up my lips. Now I'm going in with NYX liquid lipstick. I'll have it listed down below. Yes. Also, you guys, I did my hair once again. I slayed. I don't play. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at PrettyGameMUA, and I'll see you in the next one, sis. Bye.